7.
Hi, my name is IRFAN bin Muhammad TAYYAB. My metric number is 222496.
Hi, and my name is NAJIHA ZULKIPLI, and my matrix number is 222385.
Hi, my name is SHUHADA BINTI SOBEE. My matrix number is 222593. Okay, so hello everyone. So the topic of our today's discussion is about the ideal of study method. So hopefully by the end of our discussion today, we could agree that which one of ideal of study method that's the most effective among students. Okay, so shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay. So for my first technique of study method is by using linear system. The reason why I chose this as the most ideal of study method is because in terms of my personalization, this system allows me to tailor my study materials to my specific learning goals and needs, and it's making it highly adaptable to my own learning styles. And not only that, this method also believes that very efficient and help in time management. So what do you think?
I'm totally agree with you, IFFAH. So for my point of view is, so the first benefit of ideal study method is it can enhance the student understanding. So this will occur through active engagement with the material, such as including summarizing information and asking the question. So this will result in a deeper grasp of subject matters. So the second point is it can make our time more efficiency. So this will utilizing effective study method enhance time efficiency. So this will enabling quicker absorption and comprehension of information. This it save our time. For example, we can watch the YouTube video instead of reading an entire book. So the last of my point is ideal study method can reduce the stress. So having reliable study method can alleviate anxiety and stress associated with coursework and exam. So this will contribute to reduce stress of our study. So what do you guys?
I agree with you, but I have my own preference. In my opinion, the best study method is Pomodoro technique. Pomodoro technique is a time management method based on 25 minutes of focus work and 5-minute breaks. So after 25 minutes, you will take your 5-minute breaks. This technique improves focus and concentration by structuring work into short time bursts, which help maintain attention and prevent distraction. In Pomodoro technique, it reduces overwhelming long work session because long work session can lead to burnout. Students usually procrastinate because they don't know where to start. They have so many tasks, so they procrastinate. But by using Pomodoro technique, they have a specific time, which is 25 minutes. They have goals, what to achieve in that 25 minutes. Use that time to do their task. And Pomodoro technique also let our brain to recharge and boost productivity. By creating a sense of urgency with a ticking clock, we have more motivation. It encourages us to do the task, and also it gives our motivate. Every time we take a break, student can go to watch movie or watch movie itu long. They can go to take a breath, scrolling media, social media, just a 5-minute break. But it can help to regulate energy again, and they can start fresh. So, how about you, Jiha? Do you agree with this Pomodoro technique?
Sure, I agree because it seems like that using Pomodoro technique helps us become more conscious of how we spend our time, and it makes us has a better estimate of how long it takes, and aiding in our planning and also prioritization. However, I also think I have my own opinion on about the ideal study method. I think in my cases, I surely think that the best study method is by doing the active learning techniques. It is like such as spaced repetition and also active recall. Have you guys ever heard about that?
Yes.
Yes.
So let me tell you a little bit what this is. Active learning techniques significantly improve memory retention and also our understandings. These spaced repetitions involve reviewing materials at implicit intervals, which enhance long-term retention. Active recall, on the other hand, means testing ourselves on the materials rather than passively reading it. Means that when we learn something, we will read it and we will try to recall without looking into it back. So, studies have shown that these methods engage the brain more effectively, leading to a better retention and also understanding. So, what about you, Najwa?
Well, I think your study method is quite interesting about the active recall and the spaced repetition. So I think that, however, I don't think that study method is suitable for me because I am easily distracted. So for me, I prefer to use teaching others as my study method. So by teaching others, I also actively recalling what I study, but at the same time, I can refer back to what I'm going to teach others. So by teaching others, I also can detect where is my weakness in something that I teach at the moment, so that by detecting that, I can improve myself so that I can understand the topic better. Besides, by teaching others, it can also improve my social skills and my soft skills. And other than that, I think that by teaching others, it is more interesting and it doesn't make me feel sleepy or bored. So, I think, yeah, teaching others is my ideal study method. So, do you guys have any other opinion about this?
I would like to add on a bit about Najiha's point. I totally agree with your point about the active recall method because as what we know, is active recall, it can improve our long-term memory. So by this, we can repeatedly testing and retrieving the information from our memory so that during the last minute session when we were about to look back on our studies, we can still remember of what we have already studied before. So
Yes, that's right. Because as I do active recall while learning, we can do many kinds of activities to improve our techniques. Such as we can use flashcards. When we study, we can use flashcards. Means you write anything, and then when you want to test, if you remember what you write, then you can just say it without looking at it, and you can check it. And that's a way better to improve your memorization. Also, it is a very significant improvement because these methods have been implemented and successfully by top students and professionals worldwide.
I want to add more. After hearing about Najwa, yes, I think yes, teaching other is the best study method because when we teach other, it also helps our memorization. We will gain more knowledge, especially when the person we teach asks question about something we teach. So we will be like, oh. So by teaching other, we get new knowledge. So that's why I think teaching other is best study method. Do you agree with me, Irfan?
Yes, I agree with Najwa's point about teaching study method. So basically, when I'm secondary school, I always teach my friend in a mathematics and physics subject. So during that time, I can refresh my memories about the Form 4 subject and for syllabus, so that I can get more understanding about the subject. So I'm totally agree with Najwa's point.
Yes, hearing about IRFAN's experience in secondary school, I also remember that when we teaching someone, it helps us memory what we've learned, and also in exam we can also, oh, this is what I've been teaching my friends. So I guess that's true. Teaching people help us in our life, our learning too, I guess.
I also agree with that. Because sometimes we don't know whether our friends have already know about some information. So by teaching them, they could also gain knowledge, and we could also gain better knowledge.
Talking about secondary school, actually I also pick out that I prefer this teaching method because I teach others during secondary school. So by doing that, not only that when they ask something that I know, sometimes when they ask me something that I don't know, that makes me try to study more about the topic. So yeah, I think since most of us agree that teaching others is the best ideal study method.
Yes, I guess we can conclude that teaching others is our best study method. And that's the end of our discussion. Thank you everyone.
Thank you.